Hi everyone, I'm Costa and in this video I'm gonna show you how to create a video custom player inside Framer. The problem right now is that is the only way to play video, and obviously you don't want to show this when people visit your website. But luckily there is a workaround for this and it's pretty simple. So without further ado, let's get started. First, make sure that your video is inside a stack. Then right click and create a component. Now let's create a frame, make it a circle, press Ctrl K, look up for icons. I need a play icon, so this one is gonna be good enough. Bring it inside the frame, let's call it button. Now add a layout, make the icon bigger, right click, create a component, create a new variant, connect the first variant with the second one, and this should be on mouse enter. Now do the opposite, mouse leave, make it smaller, make the icon smaller as well. Go back to video holder, make sure that everything is on fit. And now let's bring inside the thumbnail. I will put it inside the variant 1 and call it thumbnail. Change the position from relative to absolute. Center it, make it bigger. Now make sure that each field has the same number, so I will put -1, -1, -1 and -1. This looks fine. Now select the variant 1 and change the radius to 26 pixels. Bring the button inside the frame. Select the thumbnail. Click on layout. Now the button is on a position relative, which is great. Create a new variant. Connect the button to the second variant and select click start. Now let's hide the thumbnail and the button from the second variant. Make sure that the video from the second variant is actually on playing, so click on yes. Now select the second variant again and connect it to the first variant and select click start. Go back to home. Let's preview this. Okay, the hover works perfect. Now let's click on the side to see if it works. No, it doesn't work, but if we click on the button, it works perfect. So that is it, guys. Thank you much for watching. See you next time.